Hello, I'm Mary Joy Coburn, and you're watching Mosquito Minute. West Nile virus is an infection carried by mosquitoes, which can cause serious illness in people and, in rare cases, even death. West Nile virus first appeared in Orange County in 2004. It's a seasonal disease that flares up in the summer and continues into the fall. In the past 5 years, there have been 461 human cases reported in Orange County, including 23 deaths. There's no treatment for West Nile virus infection, and there is no human vaccine. The best way to prevent the virus is to reduce mosquito breeding. Inspect your property and dump and drain standing water at least once a week. Wear long sleeve shirts and long pants and apply mosquito repellent to exposed skin before going outdoors. Come see us at the Open Garden Day in Santa Ana on Saturday, May 11th. Also, this Saturday, we will be at the Stanton Car Show from 9 to 2 and the State of the Community in the city of Fullerton from 10 to 1. Next Saturday, May 18th, OCVector staff will be at the Orange Public Works Open House from 10 to 2. Thank you for watching, and remember to tip out water and toss out unneeded containers. For more information, visit OCVector.org.